If you'd like to see how to make a really simple but very cool outdoor chandelier, then just keep watching. Hi, I'm Leonie and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making an outdoor chandelier. Now the team at Bunnings last week sent me a box of what looked like random bits and pieces, and I read through the instructions and they are for making this really simple but effective outdoor chandelier. So I thought that I would film the process and show you how to do it in case you were interested in making one yourself and pimping your own outdoor area as well. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get on with the project. Okay, what you'll need for this project are some pliers. These ones are cutting pliers, some cord to hang your chandelier. This one's a stretchy cord, but it doesn't need to be. Some cable ties. I know I've never seen so many cable ties. Some fairy lights and 2 of these wire hanging baskets. So basically I'm just taking out these inners. I don't know what it is. It's like a fiber inside the baskets. I'm cutting off the tags just with a sharp pair of scissors. And then the chains were really simple to remove because they had these little clips on them, so I just unclipped them. I think these chains could be really useful for a future project. I'm not sure what, so if you have any ideas what I could use these chains for, just let me know in the comments below. And as you can see here, both baskets come together and form a perfect sphere, and this is just the base of our chandelier. And then I just grabbed the cable ties and joined both halves of the basket together with the cable ties. So they were really easy to use. I haven't actually used them before, but they were super effective. I did try and line up the baskets, but to be honest, I don't think this really matters. I think once the fairy lights are on, you don't really see the basket, so you don't have to be too particular about getting them to be perfectly lined up. I used quite a few cable ties all the way around just to make sure that they were really secure. Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. Make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the... And then I just went around and used the cutting pliers to cut away the ends of the cable ties so you basically couldn't see anything at all. And it kind of pays to have the right tools for the job because these were so sharp and just made such easy work of this. I think it would have been a little bit of a struggle if I was just trying to use scissors. So having the right tools definitely makes a difference. And then once they are securely joined together, you can see that they're not going anywhere. It's not moving at all. And it's time to start putting the fairy lights on. And this is the fun part. So basically I was given this box of fairy lights. These ones actually need a power supply, but you could easily use solar powered fairy lights if you wanted to for outdoor use. I think the thing is this chandelier could be used indoors as well as outdoors, and for me I think I will actually use it indoors. I'll show you at the end of the video what it looks like in my conservatory. I think it looks so cool and I will possibly be leaving it there, but it's nice to have the option that I can actually use it outdoors as well. Now at this stage I was just trying to work out the best way to actually wrap the fairy lights around, and what I decided I was just going to do it sort of quite randomly and then use cable ties to hold them in place. Taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on, shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. And then once I had all the fairy lights securely in place and quite evenly spaced around the sphere, I then poked the power cord down through the bottom of the sphere so that it was ready to be plugged in. And then I just cut off a length of the paracord and pretty much just winged it. I tied it in a double knot and that was it. I was done and ready to hang my chandelier.
Try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me.
Anyway, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more DIY videos, please let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this one, I would love you to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.